So hey YouTubers, welcome to Verify channel. This is English tutorial for this application. Okay, so here we start. When you click the application, enter your password. So you will load it 10 display ads. Okay, you have to cut it like this. Just click, wait for the 2 seconds for another one, cut it out. Just 2 seconds. 2 seconds, another one 2 seconds, another one 2 seconds, another one 2 seconds, another one 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Okay, so first I want to tell you about the user interface. Okay, 80 display ads right in the top and 60 banner ads, that's our target, and 50 out of 9 already loaded display ad, and a banner ad is 50 out of 18 already loaded. You have to just scroll down and watch slowly banner ads. Okay, these are banner ads. You don't have to click on them, just watch. Click on the load display ads one. When you click on that, another 10 display ad will be loaded. Is take it time, wait for the 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, when it fully loaded, just you have to cut this. Another 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. No thanks. 2 seconds, cut it out. 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Okay, now we cut it out. Now load display ad 1 is completed. Now scroll up slowly and another view for banner ads. Okay, now we got load display ad 2. Click on that. So another 10 display ad will be loaded. It's fully automatically counted, so you don't have to count. Okay, you just have to cut out. Yes, like this, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. No thanks. 2 seconds, 2 seconds, cut it out. Okay, so we got it almost all of them. So you have to click on the show button, off button. Okay, right here. When you click on this, it's load banner ID loaded. In the 50 out of 18, it's getting counted, and now almost will be loaded banner IDs. Just scroll down slowly. Watch like genuine. Okay, when you scroll down slowly, then you have to get option load display as 3. Okay, when you have to click on this, another 10 display ad will be load. You have to cut out. Yes, second, wait 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Yes, this task is almost done. When you have scroll up, look slowly, click on look at this load display ad 4, click on them. Then another load 10 display ads. We achieve 36 and we want to watch 80 display ad. Okay, it's little bit longer, but yes, definitely this is the safe process. 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Does not close app or does not close ad too fast. Okay, you have to load banner IDs. Just look at this, 50 out of 33, it's getting 34, 35, 37, 38, 40. Is getting slowly. but yes, it's a 47 48. Yeah, that's right. So now scroll down little bit, slowly. Okay, now we got load display at 5. Click on them. Just wait for the 5 to 6 seconds to fully loaded display ad. When it fully loaded, just wait for the another 3 or 4 seconds. Okay, now fully loaded. Now we got to click yes. Another 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Okay, if I am doing faster, so just got it. This is the only demo for me, that's why I am doing faster, but you don't have to do faster. If you want to your account want to save of AdSense, so you're doing slowly. Okay, so now we got login option, but we don't have to click login right now because we are our banner ID 50 out of 48 and display ad will be 50 out of 54, but our target is 80 display ads and 60 banner ads, so we have to click on load banner IDs. So 48 is the count now, and now is a getting loading. Okay, 49, 51, 52, 53, 54, 57, 50, 60, 61. So banner ID target will be close 8. We have achieved that. Okay, is more than 60, it's a no problem, but below than 60 it's a getting problem for you for your AdSense account. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, don't take a risk. Another click for any load display ads, so you have to watch 80 display ads. So now we got almost 5 options, 1 2 3 4 5 loading display ads. So if you want to more 30 ads, so click on any load display ad 2 or 4 or 3 or 5, no problem. Click on, I am clicking on the load display ads 2. So getting loaded, it's a 54 now. How many loaded? Just we watch. It's fully loaded, waiting for the 3 or 4 seconds. After 3 or 4 seconds we have to click cut it out. Yes, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, so 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. I'm doing faster because this is demo. Okay, so you don't click like this, you have to wait for 2 seconds. Okay, now scroll down because we have watched. Click on the any display ads. When you click on the load display ads, another 10 display ad will be loaded. Okay, taking time to fully loaded. When it fully loaded, you have to cut it out like this with 2 seconds. Okay, now I am going faster because this demo is getting so longer, that's why I am getting faster. You don't click like this. Okay, when you click like this, Google definitely detect you. Okay, so we got 72, so I want another 8 ads, so I have to click load display ad force. When I have to click on this, so getting loading faster. Yeah, it's so much faster. Speed is so good here in India. Okay, just click cut it out, cut it out, just cut it out, just cut it out, cut it out. 2 seconds. Yeah, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Yeah, so scroll down a little bit and scroll down up in the side. Okay, so we got our target 81 display ads and 62. Okay, so we got our target. So we have to click on the login button. When you click the login button, my name is Abhijit, so I am starting with the app, clicking my name. So here is you don't click on your name, you have to click another person, not your name. Okay, so first I want to click on the Amit. So getting loaded, and when it is loaded, so music will be begin. Okay, when I click on this ad, when I click on this ad is taking into the browser. Before that I confirm the default browser, it should be in browser. Okay, this application you got downloaded from the Play Store. Look at this, in browser. I'm setting this. So now I'm ready to click yes. When I click, music will be start. This is not the background music, this is a music for this website, this application. This is helpful to complete your task. It's almost 3 minutes song. Because of this song you will get involved in the, you have to click home screen, home button. Okay, then load it. You have to click on the website any link or option that getting valid to click. Okay, valid your click. Sorry friends, my English is not so strong, but I am trying to teach you how to click. Okay, just now get I accept this cookie are looking how you treat the website. Okay, so you have to accept this. After accept this, you just scroll down little bit and just look where is getting link. If any link on your ad website, so look at this, learn more. So you have to just like click, so it's getting loaded. One point is most important, when you have to click, please wait for the fully loaded website. If don't fully loaded, then your click is invalid. Okay, so look at this point, it's very much important. So getting any other function to have to click, you just spend time 2 or 3 minutes, 3 minutes mostly on this website. Just you have to scroll down, then they believe you are a genuine guy to looking for him website. Okay, once again my English is not so strong, but I am trying this. Okay, I'm just one another click on the link. Okay, this music will be help you. After end this music you will get back. Okay, click on the product. Is getting product loaded on website. Just scroll down, look like genuine. Okay, don't sign up or sign in website any other ad website. Okay, look at the company, you have to click different options. Okay, it's a company, it's an event, contact us, leadership team. Scroll down slowly, that's getting your click is valid. Okay, so now music is end, so you have to back, not fast back, it's getting loaded website as just wait for the back button. It's getting time, but it's very important to valid click. Okay, so you have to click, yeah, that's it. When you come on this page, so what I should type? First, myself Abhijit, so I will type Abhijit. Which VPN I will selected? It's Germany. Show Germany. Confirm it. Yes, it's a Germany. So type Germany. Which member name is Amit? And what's his number? It's number 1. That's why I'm getting him. I give him number 1. That's mean number 1 round. So it's a click and click on the next button. That's it. Your task is complete. Your click is valid. Okay. So that is the procedure of this operate application. Thank you so much for you have patience for this application. You have patience for valid click. If you don't understand how to click, so definitely ask me question in the comment box. If you jumbled or query, so please ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching my video.